Hello students, welcome to Paripurna Academy, an institute for JEE Main and Advanced. Today we are going to see some of the tricks and techniques in solving JEE Main and Advanced previous year questions problems. In class 12 there are many important topics. One important topic is integral calculus. So today we are going to see some of the problems in integral calculus and the methodology to solve such problems. You see the question, if integral 2x plus 5 divided by square root of 7 minus 6x minus x square dx equal to a by plus b into sine inverse of plus c, then the ordered pair a comma b is equal to. So this is a very standard question. Even in board examination we can see such question, but the real problem is the timing. So you have to do this problem fastly. You cannot go by the regular method. So let's see how we are going to do this problem. The regular method is we have to express the numerator as a into differentiation of denominator plus b, and then we have to evaluate. Now what I am going to do is I am going to differentiate on both sides. So when I differentiate it, this becomes 2x plus 5 divided by square root of 7 minus 6x minus x square, and this becomes square root of root x. If you differentiate, that becomes 1 by 2 root x, and the differentiation of this becomes minus 6 minus 2x. Similarly here b into differentiation of sine inverse of x is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. So 1 minus x plus 3 by 4 whole square into differentiation of this x by 4 will give you 1 by 4, and then differentiation of the constant will become 0. Now what I am going to do is just I am going to equate the numerators. Definitely the denominators will be same. So if we take 2 outside and cancel, this becomes minus 3 minus x divided by square root of 7 minus 6x minus x square, plus here if we take LCM and simplify, definitely we will get the same expression because there is no other go, it should match. Okay. So similarly that 4 and 4 will get cancelled, so we will get this expression. Now equating the numerator, 2x plus 5 equal to a into minus 3 minus x plus b. Now this is a simple comparison of expressions. So minus 3a minus x plus b, okay, minus ax plus b. Now you compare the coefficient of x. If you take the coefficient of x, a will be 2. Okay. Likewise, you compare the constant terms. Constant terms, 5 is the constant here. The right hand side we have minus 3 plus b, minus 3a plus b, and then you substitute the value of a here. 5 equal to minus, here it is, a is minus 2. 2x equal to minus a, so a equal to minus 2. So when you put a equal to minus 2, you will get this as b. Therefore b is minus 1. So we are getting the answer as a equal to minus 2 and b equal to minus 1. Therefore the ordered pair a comma b is nothing but minus 2 comma minus 1. You see, by simple differentiation I have solved this problem instead of going by the regular method of integration. Likewise, many integration problems can be solved using the reverse technique. So the answer for this question is option B, minus 2 comma minus 1. Again a similar problem is this one. If f dash of 0 equal to 2 and f of 0 equal to 2 and f dash of x equal to f of x, what is the integral? So what is the trick in this question? The trick in this question is they didn't give f of x. So first you have to find f of x and then you have to go for the regular problem. So phi of x is given as x plus f of x. Okay. So x plus f of x, we have to find the value of integral 0 to 1 x plus f of x into phi of x. This is the question. Tell me how to start the problem. This is a very simple problem. If you observe the question, f of x is missing. Once you find f of x, from that you can get phi of x. Now if you go through the options, all the options are having e power something. That gives a clue f of x should be of the form e power x. So let me take f of x equal to e power x. So what is f dash of x? F dash of x is also e power x. So the condition is satisfied. So whenever you see f dash of x equal to f of x, e power x could be one of the solution. So but when you put x equal to 0, I should get f of 0 as 2. Here if I put x equal to 0, I will get only 1. So I should adjust it by making this as 2 e power x. So now I have done the trial work and I have taken f of x as 2 e power x. Once f of x is known, you can get phi of x. What is phi of x? X plus f of x, 2 e power x. Now the problem is simple. So basically this is a very simple problem, but without finding f of x, it will be tedious. Directly if you want to apply, it will be tedious. So what is this? So x plus 2 e power x into dx. So f of x into phi of x dx. This is to be formed. Now this is simple integration. So what you can do is 0 to 1, 2x into e power x plus 4 into e power 2x into dx. You know the integration by parts formula, or simply you can use the simplified formula of that. What is that? Bernoulli formula. So keep x, integration of e power x is e power x, minus differentiate x, integration of e power x is e power x. That's all. Then plus 4 into integration of e power 2x is e power 2x by 2. So limit 0 to 1, here also limit 0 to 1. Now 2 into substituting the upper limit, 1 into e power 1 is e, here also e, minus lower limit 0, here it is 1, plus here you can cancel 2 into e power 2 minus e power 0 is 1. So when you simplify, e minus e becomes 0, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 2e square minus 2, 2 and 2 cancels. So the answer is 2e square. This is a very simple question, provided you guess the function f dash of x equal to f of x. That is a condition. This is a function which satisfies the given thing. So what is the solution? The solution for this question is 2e square, option B. So in a JEE main or advanced like examinations, the approach is very, very important. We should not get shy. We should start working. Definitely we will get the clue. Thank you students. All the best for your preparations.